and welcome to our class. And today's class, we are going to learn the new chapter, chapter 9. The title is Three Goats Named Bruce. Okay, and first we are going to see the new goats. And did you know? And after, let's see the story. Okay, okay, and see the new words. And everybody take page number 141 in your concept book. See the new words. Now I'm going to read the words and everybody repeat along with me and pronounce the words. The first one, blades. Blades. It means each leaf of grass. Each leaf of grass. See the picture. And the second one, crevice. Crevices. It means narrow opening in a rock. So virisal. Okay. Crevices. It means a narrow opening in a rock. And the next one, trip. Trip. It means to walk lightly, catch one's foot on something and fall. Okay. Blades, crevices, trip. And see the next one. Pasture. Pasture. It means land covered with grass. It means land covered with grass. And next one, stir. Stir. It means to move slowly, to make a continuous movement. To move slowly, to make a continuous movement. And the next one, piping. It means high pitched musical voice. It means high pitched musical voice. And the next one, harsh. Harsh means rough. And the next one, curse. Curse. It means impolite. And the next one, tossed. Tossed. It means throw. Okay. I hope everyone clear about the new words. And let's see the. Did you know? Everybody see page number 142. And now I'm going to read the did you know? And everybody keep your fingers on the line. And okay. First one. Goats were one of the first animals to be tamed by humans and were being hurt 9,000 years ago. And goats can be taught their name and to respond whenever called. If you once taught their names for the goats, and if you called me, they responded. Okay, whenever we called their names, they respond to us. Okay, and see the next one. Strength and presence of mind, when used together, leads us to victory. Strength and presence of mind, when used together, leads us to victory. Okay, and everybody clear about the did you know? Okay, can you guess it? What we are going to see the story? Yes, the goat story. Okay, and everybody see page number 142 in your concept book. Now I'm going to read the story. Everybody keep your fingers on the line and repeat and listen carefully the story. The title, Three Goats Named Bruce. And in this story we have the four main characters. Three goats. They are brothers. Three goats are there. They are brothers. Okay. And their names Bruce. Okay. And the another one character, that is Ugly Fairy, and her name is Troll. Okay. Okay. Three goats one lived together on a mountain. Three goats were lived in the mountain, and every one of them was named Bruce, and all their names Bruce. It was hard for them to find enough to eat because there were no tree. It was hard for them to find the food for they eat because there were no trees. Only few blades of grass grew among the cracks and crevices of the rocks. Only few grasses. So they find to eat the food is the hard task for them. And what a fine pasture that must be on their mountain beyond the waterfall, said the great goat Bruce on morning. Great goat means the first goat. He is the big brother for them. And yes, said the second goat Bruce, You can see the green grass plainly. You can see the green grass plainly. It makes my mouth water and only look at it and it's all going to be wasted. For there is not a single goat there to eat it. Okay, there is not the single goat there to eat it. They find to eat one place for the grass. Okay, and the second goat said, I mean, to get my dinner, there is this very day, said the little goat Bruce, and he held his head and very high. So we will, little brother, said the other two goats. But since you can't eat so fast, so as we you go first and we will follow after. The two brother goats said to small little goat, you go first and we will follow after. And okay. And now the only way through which they could reach other mountain was cross to a high bridge over the waterfall. Okay. Under this bridge there lived a big ugly fairy called Troll with eyes of big frying fans and a nose of long as a broomstick. Okay. And but the little goat Bruce knew nothing about troll. He didn't know about the droll. When he came to the bridge, he walked bravely along. The little goat braved along on the bridge. Trip, 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 trap, said the bridge as he went over. Who trips on my bridge? Cried Troll. Troll cried, who trips on my bridge? And see page number 143. Oh, it's only the little goat Bruce. I'm going over to the other mountain and get my dinner and grow fat, said the little goat in soft voice. The little goat said to the fairy, oh, it's only the little goat. I'm going to over the other mountain and get my dinner and grow and fat. No, you won't, said Troll, for I am going to eat up you up. As she began to stir from her place by the side of the waterfall. Oh, now please don't hurt me, for I am so little, said the little goat. So don't eat me, I am so little. But if you will wait a while, the second goat Bruce will come soon and this way, and he is much bigger. So if you wait a few minutes, the second Bruce come here and he is much bigger from for me. Okay, he is much bigger than me. So you can eat it that. And very well, said Troll, you may pass. The Troll said, you may pass now. Okay. In about an hour, the second goat Bruce came down to across the bridge. He held his head up very high and looked neither to the right nor to the left. Trap, 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 and said the bridge. Who is the traps over my bridge? Asked the troll. Oh, it's only the second goat Bruce. I'm going to the second Bruce also said, I'm going to across the other mountain to eat grass and grow fat, said the goat, trying to make his hoarse voice sound weak and piping. Okay? And see page number 144. No, you're not, said Troll, for I'm going to eat you up. And she made a great noise in the water around him. Oh, please don't, said the goat, for I would hardly make you good mouthful. Wait a little while, and the great goat named Bruce will come this way. He is ever so much bigger than I am. And the second goats also said the same. And okay, the troll said, very well, you may pass. You can leave. நீங்க leave பண்ணிக்கலாம். And see the next one. In a few minutes, the great goat Bruce came down and walked boldly upon the bridge. The few minutes, the great goat Bruce came down and walked in boldly upon the and see in few minutes the great goat Bruce came down and walked boldly upon the bridge. Trap, 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 trap. How said the bridge? for the goat was heavy. That boat creaked and cracked under him. Who goes tramping on my bridge? Cried the troll again. It's me, the great goat Bruce, said the goat in very hoarse tone of voice. I'm going over to the mountain to eat up all your grass. No, you're not, said Troll, making a great stir in the waterfall. For it's me who is going to eat you. I am coming after you now. Well, then come on, said the goat, and I will give you the taste of my two spears. And see the next one. And as soon the troll lifted her head above the sides of the bridge, the great goat Bruce rushed upon her and broke her bones and tossed her back into the deep cold water below. Then he went on over to the other mountain. The three goats named Bruce found more green grass. They eat happily, then could eat in the day, and they grew so fat that never cared to cross the bridge or the waterfall again. They are still as fat as ever. So everybody clear about the story and what did you learn? So we should always be in a presence of mind when used together leads to the big victory. Okay, the three goats plan through the presence of mind, they leads us the victory. So everybody clear? Yes, I hope everybody clear about the story. And now let's do the true or false. Everybody see page number 146. Write true or false for the statements given below. The first one, the three goats lived in a den. False. Put F. The three goats wanted to go to the mountain across the river. Yes, true. And see page number 147. An ugly fairy helped the goats to cross the bridge. False. And the next one, troll wanted to eat the goats. Yes, true. The goats saved each other from the fairy. True. The great goat cruised through troll in the cold water. Yes, true. The goats went back to across the river after eating the green grass. False. Okay, I hope everybody completed this. And now it's time for homework. And today's homework is complete question number 1 to 5 in page number 28 and 29 in your workbook. Complete question number 1 to 5 in page number 28 and 29 in your workbook. I explained today's homework. So revise the story once and refer the story and complete these questions. The first one, what I really liked in the story. What did you like? And write the answer here. And what I learned from the story. What did you learn in the story? And write your answer here. And draw your favorite character or scene from the story in the space below. Okay, you have to draw the character or favorite scene. And fourth one, why was it difficult for the three goats to find enough to eat? Refer the story and answer this question. And fourth one, from where did three goats to plant get more grass? Okay. Once you're done your homework, post it in Google Classroom, grade 3 English. Okay, refer the story and answer these questions. The answer is there is in the your concept book. So refer your concept book and answer this question. Okay. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.